Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable desktop notifications on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you're someone who gets distracted by constant pop-up messages, or you simply want to use Telegram without interruptions, this quick guide will help you turn them off in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open up the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, look at the very top corner of the screen. You'll notice three small lines stacked together, often called the menu button. Click on it to open the main navigation menu. From here, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. Click on that, and you'll be taken into the main settings area, where all of Telegram's preferences can be adjusted. Within Settings, you'll see a section called Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and select that. This section is where you control everything related to alerts, sounds, and on-screen notifications. To stop those little pop-up windows from appearing on your desktop, all you need to do is locate the option called Desktop Notifications. You should see a toggle switch or checkbox right next to it. Simply turn it off, and that's it. Desktop notifications will no longer interrupt you while you're working, studying, or watching something on your computer. One of the best parts about Telegram is the ability to personalize how it behaves, so you don't always have to stick with the default settings. Whether you're part of big group chats or receiving one-on-one messages, this small adjustment gives you much more control over your focus. And don't worry, you'll still receive your messages inside the app. They just won't pop up and distract you unless you decide to turn the option back on later. So, to recap quickly, open Telegram, click the three lines at the top, head into Settings, go to Notifications and Sounds, and switch off desktop notifications. With that done, you can now enjoy a more distraction-free experience whenever you're on your computer. Thanks for following along.